In this video, we will learn about conditional statement that causes something to happen in a program if a specific condition is true. You will learn how to use the conditional if, else, and switch. The if statement tests whether a condition is true or false and take action only if the condition is true. For example, we can declare a variable int, name it marks, and give it a value 100, and we can use if condition and say if marks and use the equals for equality operator, and then 100. If the mark equals 100, then we can print something. This is starting of a if block, and the end we can use system.out.println and print a message. You got full marks. Now we can test and run it. You can see it printed, you got full marks. So in this code, if condition, it checks for if marks equals 100. If this condition is true, then we can print some message. Or you can execute some other code. Sometimes you want to do something if a condition is true, and something else if the condition is false. For that, we can use else. After if, we can write else, start and end, curly braces, and then we can print some message here too. Better luck next time. Now if the condition over here is false, then the else statement will be executed. It will print it, better luck next time. We can change this 100 to 50 to make this if condition false, and then run it. Now it printed the statement inside the else block, better luck next time, because the if condition is false. We can also learn to use switch statement. If you have more possible conditions, then we can use switch statement instead of using if else. Now we can see example of switch. We can declare some variable car and name it grade and give it some value, character value, so A, and then we can use the switch statement and the variable that we want to test, grade, and start of the switch block. Then C is missing. Now we are going to match the variable grade. We're going to use case. If it matches case A, then we're gonna print some message, system.out.println. I'm gonna say excellent, you got a grade. And then you need to write break. Break is a must. If you don't add the break statement, you will get undesired results. and the other conditions message will also be printed. So we're gonna test another case. If it's matches case B, if there is a B character inside this variable grade, then we are going to print another message, system dot out dot print line. Good, you got B grade. This way you can add more case to your switch statement. I'm just gonna leave it 2, and then you need to have a default statement is used as a catch all if none of the preceding case statement is true. For example, if the grade is not A, not a B, so we can print out some message in the default statement. We can do this. You can say system dot out dot print line, you failed, and then let's save it. Now when we run it, we can see it printed message, excellent, you got a grade, because we have A in this grade variable, and it will match with this one, this case, and print this message. If we change to B, then it should print, good, you got B grade. Just run this again. We need to put break over here before running it, and then just gonna do it. If we don't put break statement over here after this one, it matches this case and print this message, and also gonna print the default statement message, which is you fail. So it's gonna print the both. So it's important that after every case statement, you're gonna, after the code, you have to add break statement. Now you can see here it printed good, you got B grade. And if I change this B to something else, for example C, which is not in the switch statement, and there is no case for C, so it should match the default one, and it will print you fail. Let's check it out. And we can see it's printed you fail. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.